Hit the subscribe button to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest update of our videos.
Greetings friend, in this video we learn how to check the size of graphic card, because when we go to buy a laptop or a device, it is necessary to check the size of graphic card. If you don't know the exact size of your graphic card, you cannot decide which software, program or game to run on your computer. This tutorial will guide you through the process of finding out the size and the brand of your graphic card on your Windows computer. So guys, let's explore it. So guys, here are the steps which can help you to find out the size and the brand of your graphic card. First step is right click on your desktop screen and click on personalization. You can able to see the screenshot of my Windows desktop. Second one, click on display under the See Also menu. Third one, click on change display setting. You are also able to see the screenshot of my desktop. Fourth one, click on advanced setting at the right side in the new window. You are able to see this advanced setting button. Fifth one, review the pop. Here you can see the size and the brand of your graphic card. Here are presented all the information about your graphic card: chain clip type, PAC type, adverse strings, BIOS information and the total availability of the graphics memory. Here are all the options which can help you to find out the size and the brand of your graphic card. I hope you really get this information. Please share this information among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.